Hello guys, today I've got OPN Sound Swym Plus headphones and I'm going to show you, actually answer the question if you are able to charge your headphones using your phone. So actually the answer is yes. It's actually quite complex. Maybe not complex, but it's actually useless. But yes, you are able to do so because here I've got this cable, which is our charging cable. It's actually magnetic charging with 4 contacts to USB Type A. And if you buy an adapter, like from USB Type A to Type C, here I've got USB Type C to Type A, by the way. If you buy USB Type A to Type C, like you need to have this finish, or of course Type B Micro or many others, you will be able to use your phone as the charging source. That's it. Bye.